This video aims to show you what service is, why it's important, what you need to serve, and how you serve documents related to your divorce application in the Federal Circuit Court of Australia or the Family Court of Australia. What is service? Service is the process of delivering court documents to another party, a person involved in your case, after they've been filed with the court. Service makes sure that all parties are aware that they have a case filed with the court and that they have copies of all the documents they need. What do you need to serve? If you've made a joint application for divorce, you and your spouse are applying for a divorce together, then you don't need to serve any documents on anyone. If you've made a sole application for divorce, you're applying for divorce by yourself, then you need to serve the following documents on your ex-partner: a copy of the application for divorce and an acknowledgement of service, divorce, a copy of the brochure, marriage, families and separation, and other documents you have filed with the court, except for your marriage certificate. When do you need to serve these documents on them? If your ex-partner is in Australia, at least 28 days before the court hearing. If your ex-partner isn't in Australia, at least 42 days before the court hearing. Are there different ways you can serve your documents? Yes, you can serve by post or by hand on your ex-partner, or you can serve to their lawyer, if they have one, and are willing to accept service. You should only serve by post if you're confident that your ex-partner will return a signed acknowledgement of service, divorce, to you. If you don't think that they will return the document to you, then you'll need to try service by hand. Note, you can't serve the documents to your ex-partner yourself. You need someone who is over 18 to do this for you, like a friend, family member, or professional process server. How do you serve these documents? Following is a step-by-step guide on how to serve documents by hand. For more information about service by post, see the Divorce Service Kit. Step 1. Get the documents you need. You'll need a copy of the Divorce Service Kit from www.familylawcourts.gov.au. This kit contains Affidavit of Service by Hand, Divorce, Acknowledgement of Service, Divorce, and Affidavit Proving Signature, Divorce. You will also need a copy of the brochure, Marriage, Families and Separation, and the application for divorce you filed with the court. Step 2. Find someone to serve the documents for you. Remember, you can't do it yourself. You'll need someone who's over 18 years of age to serve the documents for you. When you have found someone to serve, you'll need to give them the following: a copy of the application for divorce you filed with the court, the brochure, Marriage, Families and Separation, and an acknowledgement of service, divorce. Step 3. Make sure the documents are served on the right person. If you've chosen a server who knows your ex-partner, the court considers this as enough proof of identity. If the server doesn't know them, you should provide the server with a photograph, or they will need to ask questions to make sure they're serving the documents on the right person. Step 4. Acknowledging service. Once the server has established the person they're talking to is your ex-partner, they need to ask them to accept the documents and sign an acknowledgement of service, divorce. If your ex-partner refuses to take the documents, the server can put them down next to them, saying, for example, your ex-partner is applying for divorce and I'm serving you with the divorce application. Your court date is listed for, state the court date, at, state the court location. If you can't find them, then you'll need to apply to the court for substituted service or dispensation of service. For more information, see the brochure, Are You Having Trouble Serving Your Divorce Application? Step 5. Now the server needs to sign. Now the documents have been served on your ex-partner, the person who's serving them needs to do the following: attach anything they used to identify your ex-partner to a signed affidavit of service by hand, divorce. Have the affidavit of service by hand, divorce, sworn or affirmed by a justice of the peace or someone who's authorized to witness affidavits. Attach a copy of your ex-partner's signed acknowledgement of service, divorce, to the affidavit of service, divorce, and have the person swearing or affirming the document to complete the annexure note at the bottom of the acknowledgement of service, divorce. Step 6. Now you need to sign. If your ex-partner signed the Acknowledgement of Service divorce and you recognise the signature, you now need to complete the affidavit proving signature divorce and have it sworn or affirmed by a Justice of the Peace or someone authorised to witness affidavits. Then you need to attach a signed copy of the Acknowledgement of Service divorce to the affidavit proving signature divorce. Step 7. Make copies and file with the court. You need to photocopy all documents before you file them at your nearest family law registry. Don't forget to make extra copies for your own records and bring them with you on your court date. When filing, the court requires you to file the originals and a copy. When you've made the copies, you're ready to file your signed and sworn Affidavit of Service by Hand, Divorce, Acknowledgement of Service, Divorce, and Affidavit Proving Signature, Divorce. If you have more questions about service, go to www.familylawcourts.gov.au or visit your closest family law registry.